Good morning everyone. We back again, second day of the trading week. Just to recap of yesterday's events, let's just start with the dollar. So, as you can see, currently the dollar is just like crawling. It's not really giving us any clear direction at the moment because it's still within this downtrend. As I said, we are dealing with the trend, so we've got a larger downtrend and a smaller downtrend, right? And currently we are looking at two possibilities. We're looking at one possibility of the dollar breaking to the downside, or we're looking at another possibility of the dollar breaking above, which will be interesting because this is what I'm kind of expecting, but we'll have to wait and see if we don't get any sort of influence today when London session opens. But based on my thing, I entered two positions yesterday. The first one was on, let me just open this. Okay, so the first one was this gold, right? So I saw a potential double top. Price was below key turning point, and basically I just set a sell stop. Let me just delete the sellout. I just basically set a sell stop, right? I set a sell stop around here, and as you can see, price gave a small sort of retest, you can call it, and then price took me in. Now price is currently above, so basically I'm in drawdown, right? But what is key here is that I have my stop set around this area, the 373, and the reason for that is not because I feel like anything. I just place my stop there because if the price does get there, it will mean that the short trade is invalid, right? And that means that if the short trade is invalid, then potentially we are gonna then go to this entry before going short, right? So I did note that there could be two possible entries for the short swing trade. One would be a potential double top. The other would be at the top of this channel here, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame. We have a potential bearish or you can say minor uptrend for some people who don't understand what bearish ascending channel is, right? So as you can see, we have quite a few touches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I was expecting either double top entry, or I'm expecting it to get to the top of this channel and then push to the downside, right? So that is the reason for my entry on gold yesterday. So I'm currently in drawdown. We'll wait and see London session if the price can then go in our desired direction, right? If I get taken out, I get taken out for 1%. If the price starts moving in my direction, once price gets below this area here where it found support, I will then be adding on a mountain of gold short trades, right? As I always say, swing trade, you enter with 1%. Once it breaks certain areas, then you enter and you basically max on your trade, right? Okay, so that's cool on gold. US 30, I ended up entering this yesterday. As I noted in my video, I said that you could enter right here. Stop loss just below key area, and I'm currently in profit on this one. I haven't yet really hit the 1:1. I'm actually looking for US 30 to hit or retest this key resistance zone, right? If you look on the 4-hour time chart and you look on the daily time chart, it was noted that this is a key area of interest, right? So as you can see, key area of interest, confirmed again. So I'm really looking for price to basically retest this key area of interest, right? So I'll be looking to hold US 30 up until we get there. Once I hit my 1:1, I will then cover my entry, and then this will be a risk-free trade, right? GJ, no, there's nothing really here. up until price can show some sort of movement. Okay, UJ, I got hit out for 1%. If you remember, I took an entry around this area yesterday. I was expecting the price to basically form the third to fourth swing point, right? And I got taken out for 1%. I got hit out for 1%, so took a L yesterday. It could still possibly do that. It's just kind of difficult to pick the third to fourth swing point, but once you do have it, that's why you end up maxing out your trades once price starts going your way, right? Okay, I did touch on gold. Yeah, there's nothing really much. So the trades that I'm currently in is gold short swing trade, and I'm currently in a US 30 long trade. This could also be a swing trade. It could be very quick. It's just gonna depend how the week goes and things like that.